Thinking about switching to a cloud phone system but not sure what's involved? You're not alone. Let's go through the most common questions we hear so you can see if this is the right move for your business. Question 1. How much is this going to cost? This is the question everyone wants to know, right? Cloud phone systems are offered as a monthly service, and the phone itself is included. Think of it like this. It replaces your existing phone bill, so you're not paying for 2 systems at once. Pricing depends on your specific needs, but we can always provide a range and explain exactly what factors go into the cost. Question 2. Is there anything I should be worried about? The main thing to think about is your internet connection. Because these phones connect to the cloud, reliable internet is important. If the internet goes down, you're not stuck. You can use the mobile app on 4G or 5G, or log into the portal to reroute calls to another location or a cell phone. We can even set up auto failover options so calls are automatically rerouted if something happens. Question 3. What cabling is needed? Can I use Wi-Fi? Most of the time we can use the cabling you already have. Our phones can share the existing Ethernet jacks, and 95% of our installs are handled that way. And if you don't have cabling, most phones are Wi-Fi capable. As long as you have good wireless coverage, you're good to go. Question 4. What does the installation process look like? Once we pick the port date, that's the day your phone numbers officially move over, we'll schedule a time to install the phones ahead of time. We'll test everything, make sure the phones are calling in and out, and get you ready for go live day. Question 5. Will my business be down during the switch? Not for long. Switching over to a cloud system isn't like old phone lines where someone had to physically go move wires. Once everything is ready, we press a few keys on the keyboard and you're live. Most businesses experience no downtime or just a few minutes at most. Question 6. Why should I choose HRCT for my cloud phone system? This is where we're supposed to say, because we're the best, right? Instead, we'll say this. We'll sit down with you to understand your pain points, your must-haves, and your goals. Then we'll be transparent about pricing and the installation process so there are no surprises. And because we want you to love your new system, we offer a 30-day, no questions asked return policy. Cloud phone systems can sound complicated, but with the right setup, they can make running your business easier, not harder. If you still have questions or you want to see what a system could look like for you, we'd be happy to walk you through it. Reach out anytime.